The problem statement is in the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 2.8. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 312 runs? Okay, so what is given is there's a certain amount of runs scored at the end of the 10 overs at a run rate 2.8. Okay, so first of all we have to know the amount of runs scored, right? So what is run rate? First of all you have to know this. What is run rate? Run rate is equal to runs scored per over. Okay, so what is an over? 1 over is equal to 6 balls bowled. Okay, I hope this is very simple for all Indians, because in India cricket is a religion. Okay, anyway, let's make it clear here. So run rate means runs scored per over. Okay, which means how many runs have been scored in the first 10 overs. Okay, in first 10 overs, runs scored is equal to, there are 10 overs and each over 2.8 runs have been scored, so 28 runs have been scored in the first 10 overs. What should the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 312 runs? So the target is how much? Target is 312 runs for, this is 50 overs. Okay, this 312 runs is for 50 overs. At the end of the 10 overs, how many runs have been scored? Right, at the end of the 10 overs, 28 runs have been scored. Okay, now what is the amount of runs to be scored in the next 40 overs? So first of all you have to subtract the number of runs scored in the 10 overs. So you can subtract this 28 from 312. Okay, so which will give us 284 runs. So in the next 40 overs, 284 runs should be scored. So now we can get the run rate. How? So we know how many runs have to be scored, and we know the number of overs. Now if you can reduce this, 7 into 40, 280, and you can add 0, so which will be 1. Okay, so the run rate needed is 7.1 runs per over. This is the answer.